According to Western standard, federal government says Canada needs more French foreigners, and I suggest that you read this information because many people, when they think about Canadian immigration, they focus on English language test. But Canada is a bilingual country. We have French and English as our official languages. And Canadian immigration policy has been devised to attract a lot of Francophone candidates to the country. We speak French. Si vous êtes francophone, you can always apply. According to Census Canada, unfortunately, Francophone speakers outside of Quebec has decreased lately. That's why by 2036, it is projected to be declining further. That's why the policy is in. Francophone immigration is welcome to Canada. So you can read it for yourself, and if you speak French, make the best use of it. Second piece is that according to the Globe and Mail, Canadian government is trying to build more housing, more units in Canada, and to my mind, to our potential business immigration clients, construction industry is very interesting and it will be booming in the coming years. I suggest that you read this piece and decide for yourself what you're gonna do when it comes to construction and the expected boom in this sector.